Let's make a simple heart chain, using red paper. Cut an A4 sheet of paper in half, lengthwise. Then, draw lines on the paper, 1 centimeter apart. Fold the paper in half, lengthwise. Cut the sheet of paper into strips, following the lines. Each strip of paper will form one heart, within the paper chain. Take one strip of paper, and apply a little bit of glue at the end of the strip, on the outside. Curve both ends of the strip inwards, forming a heart. Hold the heart for a little while, letting the glue set. Take another strip of paper, and apply glue to the ends, on the outside. Form a heart, as before. But this time, insert the bottom of the heart you have made earlier, in between the ends of the paper strip. Repeat the last step a few more times, adding more hearts to the bottom of the paper chain. Make the paper chain as long as you wish. You can make this heart paper chain in any color, and in any length.